Merging branches allows you to add the changes you've made from one branch of your app to another. You can merge the changes from a parent branch into a child branch, or from a child branch into a parent branch. Regardless of where you are in your hierarchy, merging takes any changes created in one branch, the source branch, and integrates them into the other branch, the base branch. A merge is always started from the base branch. The first step of the merge flow is to select the base branch you want to merge changes into, and then select the source branch that contains the changes you want to integrate. Bubble will create an automatic save point in the base branch before and after the merge is performed. But it's also a good practice to create a manual save point before the merge in the source branch as well. Let's see this in action. In my app, I created a custom branch off of this parent so that I could focus on building a new payments page. I'm happy with the changes I've made and I'm ready to merge up to my parent. So first, since this is my source branch, I'll create a save point ahead of my merge. Next, under the Overview tab, I'll go to the parent branch, which is my base branch, and I'll select Merge Changes from another branch. And I'll select this child branch as the source. I want to merge the pricing page branch into my new pages branch. Now that we've selected our source branch, we've completed step 1. In step 2 of the merge process, I'll review the changes I'm adding, and if I click on a particular change, I can preview that change in the editor. This holds true for changes across multiple pages, or even changes in other tabs, like Workflow or Styles. Ultimately, when I'm ready, I can confirm the changes and continue the process to step 3, where we can resolve conflicting changes if any exist. Seeing as there's no conflicts here, I'll continue again and complete the merge. Now let's take a look at how you might want to approach merging a little differently while working with active collaborators in the same app. For this example, I have another child branch in which I'm working on changes to this button. While I'm doing that, it's possible I may have team members working on other changes in the parent branch. So just in case my new change might be incompatible with their changes in some way, I can first merge the changes from the parent branch into my child branch. That way, if there are any updates to the app my team has made in the parent branch that I don't yet have in my branch, I can resolve that and make sure my child branch is as up to date with the parent as possible before I add in my own changes back up the tree. Additionally, if there are any conflicting changes between both branches, I can focus on resolving them here in my child branch without interrupting the rest of their work. This is a lower risk way to truly test that everything is working well on our end of the tree before merging back up the hierarchy. To learn more, check out our version control tutorial on conflicts.